quite spacious living room. And right here, you're going to be getting modular kitchen, guys. So you lower cabinet. This is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Simran Singh and today I'm going to be giving you a sample flat tour of Larkin's Nest located in Kasar Varavli, Thane West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual construction. Check out the main road and the neighborhood now. The right side directly leads you to the highway, as you can see. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.5 acres with 1 towers, ground plus 19 residential floors with a configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has basic amenities like gazebo, kids play area, gym and many more. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in Kasar Varavli, Thane West with upcoming metro station at a distance of just 750 meters, with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 20 minutes and Thane station at a distance of just 20 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's go check out the sample flat. So now let me give you this 1 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 417 square feet. As we enter, this is your living room. Have a look at it. A quite spacious living room. And right here, you get half French window attached to your room. Look at the space. There's good space in this room. Right here is your dining space. So easily 6 to 8 seater of dining space can come over here. And you can design it accordingly. Now let's go have a look at other room. This is your common washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. A quite spacious common washroom. And right here is your kitchen. So have a look at your kitchen. You're going to be getting modular kitchen, guys. So your lower cabinets will be attached. 2 sides parallel platform, and see the amount of space you're getting to store your cabinet. As where your platform ends, right here is your refrigerator area. So they've taken care of your refrigerator space also, where 2 double door refrigerator can easily fit in. And this is your dry area for you to store your washing machine. Have a look at it. Now let's go and check out our master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video, sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book your free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the bedroom. Right as we enter, this is your very spacious master bedroom. Just have a look at it. There's so much of walkable space. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's so much of walkable space in this room. Right here you get half French window attached for ventilation. And this is your wardrobe space. So just go and see the depth of the wardrobe, and it's not disturbing your walkable space. So it's inside. That's the best part. Right here is your attached washroom. Again, you get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So a quite spacious bedroom, I must say. So this was the 1 BHK sample flat tour of Larkin's Nest located in Kasar Varavli, Thane West. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section, and also to know more about such properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.